So these are the new flex joints that I picked up to upgrade my long arm kit. Here is the part number. And they call them Johnny joints, and then Rough Country calls them flex joints. So these are John Currie joints. So yeah, those are the upgraded ones. These go in. There's the back one. I haven't got those ones yet. But those should go in right there. So I just gotta undo that bolt. Measure that first, obviously, on swiveled in, swiveled out. Put that lock nut back. Should be good. And I'll do a side by side with what these old ones look like in comparison. Should help stiffen things up, because right now I was hearing a little noise. I was wondering what it was. Yeah, it's not supposed to do that. See, there's snap rings on the side. I grease them a lot too. They're just don't last. I see people are getting, about 2 years out of them. So I've gotten more than that. So, yep. Fun stuff. Okay. Get around to this upper flex joint. Just took the bolt out. I got it. On mine, it's a 17 for both. But it won't just slide out of there because of the top piece. So I'm going to have to take the whole arm out, and it should slide forward and out. And I'll take a measurement and put the new one in. Throw it back in there. Okay, I've got that upper control arm out. So this will be what we're replacing them with. This one's actually in good condition, surprisingly. It doesn't have much play in there. And I'm just gonna measure there to the eye. Should be 2 3/4. Throw that in. Call it a day. Gotta put it in the vise. Just gotta take that lock nut off. Find something that fits in there. Twist it off. Okay. Got that new joint put in. It was quick, easy, just swivel in, swivel out. Old one was like a mile long. So, yeah, that's that. Original one. I'm guessing this one's so long is for people that have either the low pinion and the high pinion. I have the high pinion, so I didn't have to adjust my pinion angle quite as much, but I'm guessing that's why that upper joint is so much longer. But yeah, heavy duty Currie joint. Just gotta throw it back in, throw some grease in it, move on to the next one. Okay, there it is. That is the upgraded joint, or flex joint. Doesn't look fancy, but go to the other side. That's what we replaced. Can't really see it, but yeah. Okay. New Johnny joint in. Old Rough Country joint out. And bolted that one up, and the uppers are done. Okay, so that is how I upgraded my long arm kit on my XJ, from those Rough Country flex joints to those Johnny Currie joints. I will be doing those rear ones too. But yeah, no, that was a pretty quick, easy, and painless there. It didn't take more than probably 20 minutes. So if you like this sort of stuff and like seeing the projects getting done on the XJ, go ahead and like and subscribe. There'll definitely be some more content coming soon.